Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee. Today we'll be showing you how to set up your ECM V-Titan 64. Let's get started. Step 1. Out of the box and onto the counter. Remove the grinder from its box and place it on a solid, level surface. Inspect the grinder for any damage. If you notice any, contact us immediately. Unthread the hopper screw and insert the hopper. Plug the grinder in and turn it on. Step 2. Feeling the coffee. Put some beans in the hopper and grind them into your hand. Feel the grounds. For espresso, they should feel similar to table salt. Not as fine as powdered sugar and not as coarse as sand. It can take multiple rotations to make a reasonable adjustment, but be sure to run the grinder when adjusting finer. Step 3. Dialing the dose. Once the grind is in the ballpark, it's time to start pulling shots. First, grab a scale and tare the weight of the portafilter. Using the portafilter, press and hold the grind button, releasing when the basket is full. Now weigh the portafilter. Add or remove grounds as necessary to get to 18 grams for a double basket or 20 grams for a triple basket. Step 4. Adjustments, shot time. Now you can compress the coffee with your tamper. Remember, a specific tamping pressure is less important than making sure your tamp is level and consistent. Insert your portafilter and start the shot. We're going to be watching for the time of the first drops of espresso. We're looking for those first drops to fall between 6 and 10 seconds. Under 6 seconds will be thin and sour. Adjust your grind gradually finer. Over 10 seconds will be bitter. Adjust your grind gradually coarser. Make small half to full rotation adjustments. This will be easier than making big changes and overcorrecting. Now look at the full shot time. Our target output is 1.5 ounces or 30 grams of liquid espresso in 25 to 30 seconds. If it falls under 25 seconds, adjust your grind finer. If it falls over 30 seconds, adjust coarser. Step 5. Time dosing. Now that we have our grind dialed, we can set up the grind timer for consistent and repeatable dosing. With the hopper filled, the Titan should take approximately 4.8 seconds to grind a 20-gram dose. To set the grind time, press both the plus and minus buttons simultaneously. Quickly press the plus button, then use either the plus or minus buttons to set the time to 4.8 seconds. You've now programmed the single dose setting, which can be activated by pressing the grind button once. T2 is the double dose, which can be programmed in the same way. To use this, double tap the grind button with the portafilter. Weigh the portafilter again. If the dose is too small, increase the grind time. If it's too much, decrease the grind time. For more information on improving technique and recipes, watch these videos and subscribe. And for more coffee know-how, don't forget to check back in at clivecoffee.com.